So we know that all cryptos are in a slump. Dogecoin is trading at 21.7 cents. Now, this slump was caused because of the huge sell-off we saw this week, and the sell-off was caused by two primary reasons. So, this is what I'll talk about in this video. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So the first reason behind the sell-off was the fear of regulation. If you don't know, Senator Elizabeth Warren recently gave a warning to the SEC to regulate crypto by the end of this month. She said that lack of common sense regulations has left ordinary investors at the mercy of manipulators and fraudsters. Now, before I talk about what I think about this, let's talk about the second reason for the sell-off. So, if you don't know, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is going to be unlocked on July 18th. It is said to be the largest unlocking date, as it'll make 16,240 Bitcoin available in the market. That's currently equal to $530 million. So, people are afraid that this is going to have a huge impact on the price of Bitcoin. And we know that Dogecoin's price has a huge correlation with Bitcoin's price, so this is why there's some fear in the market right now. Coming back to it, the trading firm QCP Capital thinks that the unlocking is not going to have an impact on Bitcoin price. And another prediction about it came from Kraken. So the Kraken intelligence report said that despite 40K Bitcoin worth of GBTC shares unlocking in July, market structure suggests that the unlock will not weigh materially on Bitcoin spot markets anytime soon, if at all, like some have claimed. So, as I said, it's probably blown out of proportion. Also, this fear is to some degree a result of market manipulation too. So, Lart Davis, who's a quite reliable investor and analyst, said that, in theory, a GBTC release should have no market impact on spot prices. But this market, like all markets, is massively manipulated, and the GBTC product is too complex for most investors. So it allows the manipulators to prey on you by spreading misinformation. So, I hope you get the point of this. Now, let's talk about the second reason. I think the second reason is crypto regulation, which could happen in late July. So, I've talked about this in previous videos too. Personally, I think crypto regulation is going to be a great thing for the entire crypto market because it'll help us get rid of all the bad actors. If you don't know, the cases of crypto frauds are rising literally every single day. So this article talks about how thousands of customers have been duped into purchasing bogus Android Bitcoin mining applications. These applications were marketed as a method to generate money by mining Bitcoins, but they actually serve no use. And the scary part is that over 93,000 people bought into the scam. On top of that, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network has named misuse of crypto a national priority. And there's more news about crypto scams that's coming out almost every day. So, I think crypto regulation is inevitable at this point. And I also think that it is absolutely essential for crypto to prosper. The investors need protection, and unless they get it, things could become worse from here. On the other hand, when crypto is regulated, we'll see more people enter into the market in the long run. Now, let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index for a minute. So, it is standing at 20 right now. This indicates that there's a lot of fear in the market, perhaps because of these two reasons. I believe that this fear is going to dissipate after the unlocking happens on 18th July and after crypto gets regulated in late July. I think when crypto finally gets regulated, people would see that it's actually a blessing in disguise. Now, let's talk about Dogecoin price for a minute. Right now, Dogecoin is trading at 21.7 cents. If we compare it to where it was 5 days ago, we can see that it's down by around 3.5 cents. Now, as I said, it's because of all the fear that's in the market right now. But there's a really bullish prediction that comes from Scott Melker. If you don't know, he's known as the Wolf of all streets, and he's considered a really reputable market analyst. So, he said that we could see Dogecoin breakout by about 58% once it breaks the crucial resistance level of 26 cents. He said that when that happens, we'll see Dogecoin rise to the 38 cents level. But he also said that Dogecoin has to make this move quickly. Now, I think Dogecoin can break this level if the Dogecoin devs come out with the Doge update announcement soon. And right now, it looks likely that they will. We saw that tweet from Elon Musk where he reminded everyone about the importance of this new update. And we know that he's been working with the devs behind the scenes, so I don't think it's far-fetched to assume that we'll hear the official announcement soon. Now, let's talk about some bearish price predictions. I want you to have total awareness about everything that the top analysts are saying so you could make the best decision. Before I talk about it, I'd still like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. So the bearish prediction comes from Scott Minerd. If you don't know, he's the CIO of Guggenheim, and Guggenheim is one of the leaders in innovative investment solutions. So he said that he sees Bitcoin fall down to $10,000 before we see a rebound. Now, the interesting thing about it is that only 5 months ago, he said he could see Bitcoin go all the way to $600,000. And in December, he said that Bitcoin should be worth $400,000. And now, he came out and said that, when we look at the history of crypto and we look at where we are, I really do believe this is probably a crash. And you know, a crash would mean we'd be down 70% to 80%, which let's just say that's between $10,000 and $15,000. Put it this way, I wouldn't be in a hurry to buy Bitcoin, and I don't see any reason to own it right now. If you're going to be a speculator, speculate that it's heading lower. And in May he said that, look for more declines in crypto as Bitcoin breaks through support. Next likely support level is $20,000. Now, it's been 2 months since he predicted Bitcoin's drop to $20,000, but we haven't seen that yet. So I think it's unlikely that we'll see Bitcoin drop to $10,000 either. Also, I'd like to remind you that we're talking about Bitcoin price because it has had a huge impact on Dogecoin since it's the market leader. Now, coming back to this prediction, I think he's trying to instill fear in the market, and all his previous positive predictions are proof of that. Now, we know that Bitcoin dropped to the 30K level because of China's crackdown on Bitcoin mining. After that, the hash rate dropped to its lowest level in months. But now, this article came out today that suggests that the mining hash rate is bottomed. Take a look at this. According to this graph, it has never been lower in over 7 months. Also, the mining difficulty could see another drop when the readjustment happens in 2 weeks. When that happens, we'll see more miners come back to the market, which will slowly restore the hash rate to normal levels. And when that happens, we could see Bitcoin and other cryptos like Dogecoin break their crucial resistance levels. So, in a nutshell, I'm quite optimistic about where we're headed. I'm aware that we're in a slump right now, but the news suggests that even though we'll have to wait a little, we're going to go up from here. In any case, let me know what you think is going to happen in the comments section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.